they get really stiff, right? So, one of the most important things about these not to do's, right, is to not immobilize it long, right? It does not need to be immobilized essentially between no more than 2 weeks, right? For the most part. Now, if it's really unstable, you should have consulted a doctor and they would have stabilized it. Once they stabilize it, you're actually allowed to start moving right away. If you fractured it and it's a small fracture and you didn't need surgery, usually they immobilize it for about 2 weeks and then they allow you to start moving. And there's specific ways to move so that you don't disrupt the healing parts of the fracture. But you don't want to immobilize your fingers. You don't want to immobilize all of your fingers, all of your wrists, especially if there was no injuries to them. So